Okay. After nag-disperse ng sinihan bodies for the night, may one last at biglang tumugtog yung live stream. Pero stuck pa rin tayo kay Pedro Pascal. Pero bakit tumutugtog? Sino ang darating? Ang tagal
Original
naman.
Avenger yan.
Ang tagal naman.
Chris Evans?
Evans. Scarlett!
Ayaw gumalaw!
Give me Scarlett! Ayaw ko pala. Ano ba to? Ay, kakagulo na po ang GC ng sa YouTube. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Shit! Oh! Wait! A door just opened. Holy shit! Who is this?
Ang tagal!
Tagal.
Taxi Stanley. Joke.
From another multiverse.
Ayun na!
Naglalakad. Sino to?
Robert Downey.
Downey.
Ayun, it's Downey.
Holy shit!